Verifying your bank account on Jurassienne Kantonalbank is an important process to ensure the security and accuracy of your banking information. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents needed for verification. This typically includes a valid form of identification, proof of address, and any additional documents requested by the bank. Step 2. Access online banking. Log into your Jurassienne Kantonalbank online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to verification section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Upload documents. Follow the prompts to upload the required documents. Ensure that all files are clear and legible to avoid delays in the verification process. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review all information for accuracy and submit your verification request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Once you have completed these steps, wait for the bank to process your verification. You will be notified of the outcome via email or through your online banking account.